Hello everyone, today I will show you a simple method to boost your immune system. All you need is just a clove of garlic and a small teaspoon of pure honey. So let me show you. So peel the clove and then wash it properly. Now crush it. And finally chop it out. So you have to chop it up finely. Okay, so I have one clove of finely chopped garlic here. Now add honey into the garlic, just about like 1 tablespoon. So here it is, as you can see. So now I'm gonna mix it well. Oh, my one hand. Alright, so okay, let me mix. Yeah, so this is how it's gonna look like. Honey and garlic. You don't have to chew it much, just swallow it because as it's already chopped, and take it on empty stomach every morning, and after 20 minutes or 30 minutes take your breakfast.